We're in the Dalles High School physics class, and Barbie's gonna go bungee jumping.
Remember, the goal is kind of, we want to be in this green area.
The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be destroyed nor created, but it can be transferred. The bungee jump experiment was meant to see how that works.
We use different equations so you can put in different amounts, different heights, so the bungee would work.
Even if we had our string like a couple of centimeters off, it totally changed where it went.
Like the energy amount would stay the same, so even though it would transform to different types of energy, so it might go from potential energy to kinetic energy to elastic energy, there would be the same amount of energy through the whole thing. And then eventually it transferred from the Barbie to the bungee jump.
I think it's gonna drop like 5 feet, 10 feet maybe.
It went great.
Yeah?
It went dead where it was supposed to be. I'm very proud of my group.
We thought it would maybe hit the green area or either at least the checkered part, but
Yeah, we should have done like maybe 3 meters or so.
maybe making the string a bit shorter.
Yeah.
Just a tad bit.
It survived?
It fell and it survived.
Well, ours worked, and the Barbie ended up going down to the dark green safety margin, but it didn't go into the red. So it was safe.
Yeah!